Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we got a box from Olivelle, and I have no idea what's in it, so let's unbox it and see what kind of goodies we can find inside. Olivelle crafts over 150 products, and they have a very strong commitment to quality. When they source ingredients, they work with small family farms to focus on quality over quantity. And every ingredient used in the manufacturing must pass extremely strict taste guidelines to ensure that the finished products are something to be proud of. And that is one of the main reasons why I love cooking with Olivelle's products. It's because they have a very clean and fresh taste that allows the protein that you cook to really elevate and become the highlight that it's supposed to be. So with this order, we also got these nice little recipe cards with a few recipes to show you how to use the products. Another reason why we love these products is that the bottles look really good, so they're perfect as a backdrop for our videos as well. So now not only do they cook good, they also look good, which is important as well. So we are super excited to be cooking with Olivelle's complete product line going forward. I hope you like this unboxing video. Happy cooking and grilling.